Ushago ni kupoa. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. It's Mama Sabrine Maria here from the village. Now, here is me, a mother, a sister, a wife, a business person, a marketer, and a farmer. Yes, a farmer. I know you're wondering, those are many crowns, right? Yes, I can handle it because I'm an alpha. I go get it. I'm a go-getter. I don't wait for nothing. When you are the leader, sometimes you get yourself supervising people older than you. Yes. When it comes to leadership, I don't stop at here. I go over and above what I'm expected. There's a lot of noise, but I'm sure you'll be able to hear what I'm saying. So from here, this is the first time we're preparing this land. The land had stayed for 4 years without being plowed. So grass was expected to have grown everywhere, and it was really hard. So first of all, the first step, we had to pick papers, pick stones, twigs, and anything that was lying there that would have injured the machines while we were digging with the tractor. So we collected them and burnt them at one corner of the farm so that we can start digging. So this is the first plowing. There will be a second plowing so that the soil can be much softer and much easy for us to do the furrows so that we can plant the sweet potatoes. This person came from Litein. Litein is in Kericho. He drove all the way to come and help us plow the shamba. Usually, the best time to plow is when it is dry. You see, when it is dry like this, there are no rains, it is easier for the tractor to pass through the soil so that it can make the soil easy and smooth. You see how the wheels are going? Yes, the wheels are really trying hard to dig deep inside the roots of the grass because the grass roots have gone a little bit deep inside. So it is important for you to do the plowing when there are no rains, when it's still dry, so that it can make the work easier for the tractor. Because when you do the plowing when it's raining, the tractor and the soil is going to get stuck on the jembes. After this, we are expected to do the fencing. There's one side which has a live fence, and the other side which doesn't have a live fence. I am going to put a triple twist with concrete. The triple twist with concrete, it's a simple fence that helps animals not to trespass so that they come and eat our plantation. So you'll see it. The tractor will keep on rotating over and over, like 4 or 5 times on different rows so that it can make the soil very soft. You see, he's going back, then he pulls again, and this place here had already like dug, so he's going to repeat. This is the second time he's repeating. Then he's going to do a second time, a third time, and a fourth time. You see, the other side, the farthest side of the farm looks a little bit even and soft, rather than this side near me where there's still grass and you can just see the plantation inside the soil. We are going to do the second and third time to make it soft. Watch out. Comment down below if you have ever done first plowing and second plowing before you plant. Tell me how it went and if we are on the right track and what we did was right. Wewe mnaishapen aje? Kushapen. Kushapen.
Hii hakuna kufanyiwa shapen.
Hey.
Watu anakuambia nini?
Nani?
Tena hivyo Elika.
Hajas, mimi sijaongea naye tena. Sitaki maneno yake. Muona ni nini?
Kura kwa. Kwa kwanza na hiyo iko moto mara. Wacha kwanza nifunga hapa.
Cha moto. Kani kwa kere.
Hapana.
Cheka hiyo kitu.
Ngoja tu pole pole. Mwagi kama hivi.
Pole. Nzuri.
Umesema aje?
Round 2 si ngumu.
Kama si twende. Kaka yote. Kaka hivyo. Hiyo moto itoke, hiyo nyingine ikae. Weka mpaka hiyo hii.
Ndio mtaye nikwambia. Sasa kuchukuliwa. Bambo, isabishwe.
Unapai hata nimetafuta.
Basi gani? Ya juu.
Najua.
Weka maji hiyo.
Weka hata ikimwagika. Nikitanga.
Ngani inasema?
Inafanya nini?
Ngani inapasuka?
Ina overheat.
Hata niliona ilikuwa imechoma.
They have eventually taken a break. First plowing wasn't so easy because the ground was a little bit hard. You see how it looks like? Yes, the ground was a little bit hard because the grass had already grown everywhere. So they've taken a break until in the afternoon. Let's come back and see how the last phase looked like. If the soil does not become finer like it is expected, I am going to do the second plowing definitely. Then thereafter, I'm going to bring cows to do plowing. Have you ever seen cows that do plowing? Please comment down below and let me know if in your village they always use cows. Cows in some areas, they always do a very good job when the grounds are soft. They are even better than a tractor. Please let me know in the comment section what you think. This is the final outlook after we had already done the second and the third round going round. So next week we are going to do the second plowing, and thereafter we will decide if I'm going to bring the cows. How does it look? Out of 10. Then next will be the triple twist fence. Stay tuned and see how it comes out.